Best electric scooters are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of, and put up 5 lists of the best electric scooters from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. We have included links in the description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Niu 300p. Niu K100p/K200f/K300p electric scooter for adults, high-performance e-scooter with suspension, 900W peak power, 34-mile range, foldable design, and smart safety features. Experience next-level commuting with the Niu K series electric scooter, engineered for performance, comfort, and reliability. Designed for adults seeking both practicality and excitement, the Niu K300p features a powerful 900W peak motor that delivers speeds up to 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, and a maximum range of 34 miles, 48 kilometers, on a single charge, perfect for daily commutes, errands, or leisure rides. Built with a durable alloy steel frame and all-terrain suspension, this e-scooter ensures a smooth and stable ride even on rough city streets. The foldable handlebars, K200f/K300p, make storage and portability effortless, while the rubber tires provide superior traction and control. Safety is a top priority with features like front and rear turn signals, a regenerative braking system, and UL 2272 certification for electrical and fire safety compliance. With a 265 pounds weight limit, the Niu K series scooters are built for riders of all types. The intuitive LED display keeps you informed of your speed, battery life, and riding mode at a glance. Whether you're zipping through city traffic or cruising along bike paths, the Niu K300p offers the perfect balance of power, comfort, and style. Number 2. Gotrax electric scooter. Gotrax Eclipse electric scooter for adults, 10-inch pneumatic tires, 500W motor, 38-mile long range, 20 miles per hour max speed, foldable aluminum frame, LED display and cruise control commuter e-scooter. Redefine your daily commute with the Gotrax Eclipse electric scooter, a perfect blend of power, comfort, and convenience. Designed for modern urban riders, this high-performance e-scooter features a 500W motor and a robust 48V battery, allowing you to travel up to 38 miles on a single charge and reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Whether you're heading to work, school, or exploring the city, the Eclipse ensures a smooth, efficient, and exhilarating ride every time. Built with an all-aluminum frame, the Gotrax Eclipse combines lightweight durability with premium style. The 10-inch pneumatic tires absorb shocks from uneven roads, providing enhanced stability and comfort. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store, while the adjustable handlebar ensures a comfortable fit for riders of different heights. Safety and visibility are top priorities, with a bright headlight and taillight for night rides, and responsive dual braking for confident stops. The large LED display provides real-time data, including speed, battery life, and riding mode, while cruise control helps maintain a steady pace for longer rides without fatigue. Number 3. Segway Ninebot E2 Plus. Segway Ninebot E2 Plus 2/E2 Pro/E3 Pro electric scooter for adults, 20 miles per hour max speed, long range, dual suspension, E3 Pro, foldable design, UL 2272 and 2271 certified, smart connectivity with Apple Find My. Elevate your daily commute with the Segway Ninebot E2 series electric scooter, a perfect combination of smart technology, sleek design, and dependable performance. The E2 Pro model features a powerful motor that delivers speeds up to 20 miles per hour and an impressive range ideal for urban commuting and leisure rides. The top-tier E3 Pro version includes dual elastomer suspension, offering superior shock absorption and enhanced comfort on uneven terrain. Built with a durable alloy steel frame and rubber tires, the E2 series ensures stability, safety, and smooth performance. With a weight limit of 265 pounds, it's designed to accommodate a wide range of adult riders. The foldable design makes storage and portability effortless, perfect for bringing your e-scooter on public transport or storing it at home or in the office.
Stay in control with the large 2.8-inch LED dashboard, providing real-time updates on speed, range, and battery life.
The dual braking system ensures quick and reliable stops, while the traction control system, TCS, improves grip and stability on wet or slippery roads. Plus, Apple Find My integration offers added peace of mind, helping you locate your scooter anytime.
Number 4. Niu KQi Air.
Niu KQi Air electric scooter for adults, ultralight carbon fiber frame, 700 W peak power, 31-mile long range, 20 miles per hour top speed, 9.5-inch tubeless fat tires, 7.5 wide deck, UL 2272 certified. Experience cutting-edge innovation and effortless mobility with the Niu KQi Air electric scooter, designed for riders who demand performance, portability, and premium craftsmanship. Weighing just 26.2 pounds, the KQi Air is built with a carbon fiber frame, making it one of the lightest and most durable e-scooters in its class, perfect for daily commuters and city explorers alike. Powered by a 700 W peak motor, this scooter reaches speeds up to 20 miles per hour and delivers an impressive 31-mile range on a single charge, allowing you to travel farther with confidence. The 9.5-inch tubeless fat tires provide excellent shock absorption and stability, while the 7.5-inch wider deck offers superior balance and comfort for long rides. Designed with convenience in mind, the foldable frame makes it easy to carry and store, whether you're hopping on public transit or stowing it under your desk. The intuitive LED display keeps you informed about speed, battery level, and riding mode at a glance. Certified with UL 2272 for electrical safety, the Niu KQi Air ensures worry-free rides with dependable performance. Supporting riders up to 265 pounds, it combines power, precision, and modern aesthetics in a sleek gray finish.
Number 5. Segway Ninebot Max G2.
Multifunctional scooter seat compatible with Segway Ninebot Max G2/G65/Max 2 kick scooter, thick and soft cushion with 10L large storage bag, durable nylon build, easy installation, original parts. Enhance your riding comfort and convenience with the Style multifunctional scooter seat, designed exclusively for Segway Ninebot Max G2, G65, and Max 2 kick scooters. This high-quality accessory combines ergonomic design and smart storage, making every ride more enjoyable and practical for daily commuting or long-distance trips. The thick and soft cushion provides exceptional comfort and support, reducing fatigue during extended rides. Crafted with durable, water-resistant nylon material, the seat is built to withstand daily use and varying weather conditions. Its sleek black and orange design complements your scooter's modern look while maintaining a professional aesthetic. This upgraded version features a 10L large capacity storage bag conveniently positioned under the seat, perfect for carrying essentials like tools, chargers, wallets, or small personal items. The bag is easily detachable, allowing quick access to your belongings while keeping them secure and protected on the go. Engineered with precision, this seat and storage combo fits seamlessly with your Segway Ninebot model using original-style mounting parts for maximum stability and safety. Installation is simple, with all necessary components included for a quick setup process.